Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. I'm Kaylee Kincaid, and this is my channel all about eco-friendly cleaning, organizing, lifestyle, all that sort of stuff. So today I am doing a deep clean on our shower with eco-friendly products. So if that interests you, stick around. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a comment. That helps me know what kind of content y'all are interested in. And if you so choose, please hit that red hi. That's my dog clicking around. If you so choose, please hit that red subscribe button to support my channel. I would be eternally grateful. Thanks so much, and let's get started. Okay guys, all you'll need for today's shower clean is your salsa spray. If you don't know how to make this, I will link a video in the description of this video on how to make it, but it's super easy. You just get a bottle, fill a little tiny bit up with Dr. Bronner's Salseds, fill the rest with water. This is what I use to deep clean our shower. Then you'll need a little stack of microfiber rags. I have 3 here, but you might need more than that depending on how dirty the shower is. And a scrub brush. This one is wood made by a visually impaired man from a local store called Hand and Land in Kansas City. And it's actually for vegetables, but these bristles are so sturdy that I use it to clean deeper stuff like the shower. So with that, let's get started. Sorry you can see my light ring in the shower. I don't know how to get past that.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your salsa spray and spray down your entire shower and or tub, depending on what kind of shower you have. Don't hesitate to use a lot of this spray and just get it in all the cracks and crevices so that it can really sit in there and loosen up any dirt, grime, soap scum, etc. that we all have in our showers. Then I start the cleaning process with the shower door if you have one instead of a curtain. And I take a dry microfiber rag and wipe top to bottom because the top usually is less dirty than the bottom. And I continually turn the rag so that I can use a clean side to really get all of the spots and streaks off and get it clean. You can use more than one rag if needed, and you can spray more as well if needed. Just repeat this process until your door becomes shiny, clean, and perfectly see-through. Then I move on to the fixtures in the shower. You can respray it with your Salseds mixture and let it sit for a little bit if it has some soap scum on it, but then just use your rag to really get in all the crevices and creases, and you can use a dry rag to shine these up so that there are no watermarks on them. If yours is really bad with soap scum, you can use some baking soda with your scrub brush to really scrub it off before wiping with a rag. Then I usually move on to the place where we keep our products, which in this shower is this little cubby, but it might be the side of your tub or wherever. And I give it a really good spray with the Salseds again, and then take my scrub brush and loosen up all the soap scum and grime that's built up. And then I spray it again, and then wipe with a microfiber rag to make it perfectly clean. You can see me wiping away all that dirt and loosened up grout dust. So satisfying. Next, I'll usually spray the shower down once more, just because it's been sitting on there for a while and some of it has dried. And then I'll take my scrub brush and scrub all the grout lines, especially the ones that have a lot of discoloration, orange mold, soap scum, etc. Just really scrub them all along the line. That's why I use a small brush and really get in there and get all of that stuff loosened up. Thought y'all might want to see how it looks with all of this stuff loosened up on the shower walls. You can kind of see it, but a lot of it is just small for the camera. You can see how nasty the floor is getting from my dirty feet. And there it is, there's some craziness. Okay, and then I spray down everything once more because that is going to help all of the dirt and grime start to drip towards the bottom of the shower, which is what we want. because I'm going to start wiping at the top, which is the cleanest part of the shower, and then move towards the bottom, which is where all of the dirt and grime and mold, etc. congregate and plot together to ruin your shower and make it dirty. So you're going to wipe everything kind of towards the bottom, and then you'll have to do the heavier scrubbing at the bottom, and you can wipe it all out and kind of like move it all into one area to wipe out. And then I also use the rag to kind of go back over the grout lines that I scrubbed out, and you can see I stick my finger in the rag, and that way I can really get in the creases and crevices where all of that mold likes to hide, and really wipe it out of there. Last is what usually is the most difficult part of cleaning a shower, which is the bottom. On ours, it's just a pan, which is really easy, but yours might be a tub or tiled. And if it's tiled, that's the most difficult scenario because it has grout, and grout is where mold loves to grow. So what you're going to do, if you haven't scrubbed this out in a while, you can sprinkle baking soda all over the bottom and use your scrub brush and sal suds to spray and then scrub it really well, and that's going to loosen up all of your grime and mold and dirt and everything. So just really scrub it out, and then take your microfiber rag and wipe everything towards you so that you can kind of gather it all in one area before you wipe it out of the tub. You can spray and scrub and repeat this as many times as you need to. Just don't be afraid to really put some elbow grease into it and get rid of all that nastiness. But after it's all wiped out, you're done. And here is the beautiful finished product. Shiny tiles, shiny bottom of the shower, perfectly see-through glass. Nice, nice, nice. It's so worth it to deep clean your shower.
Hope you enjoyed that video today, guys, and got a few tips and tricks on how to clean your shower with eco-friendly products. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button if you want to support my channel. And you can follow me on Instagram for some more tips and tricks and some fun stuff. So I will link that below, and it'll be on this next screen coming up. Hope you guys have a great day, and happy cleaning.